Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a Smitten trial products haul, as well as I'll be talking about how the whole Smitten trial thing works. So if you want to know how you can get 6 trial points in your Smitten wallet and order these amazing trial products from Smitten's app, just keep on watching this video. I'll explain everything. But as of now, you can see these are all the products that I've received from Smitten as Smitten trial products. I have ordered Smitten trials about 4 times by now, and I still have 6 trial points left in my Smitten wallet. I am hooked onto Smitten trial products. Some of these products are so amazing, like I wanted to try them, but the pricing of the original full-size products was so high that I was skeptical if I should invest that much money into a product or not. So anyways, you can download the Smitten app from Play Store. You'll get a page where you have two options. Either you can log in or sign up. So if you have a Smitten account already, so you can log in, otherwise you can sign up with these three options. I chose the manually enter details one, and you can enter your basic details and click on proceed. So once I'm done entering my details, you can see the next page what it shows. So it shows that you have eligibility of 6 trial points. To activate the trial points, you have to click on the lower button, and then you will be asked to enter your mobile number, email address, and if you have any referral code, then you can enter the referral code as well. I have my referral code in the bottom bar as well as on the screen. If you get products from Smitten, then please enter my referral code, because it's gonna benefit you as well as me. You have these product in your trials section, as well as you have a shop section that is completely different, but you have these product in your trial section. You can select some of them, put them in your cart, and then when you click checkout, you get these two options. So 169 goes into your Smitten wallet, which means that you can order products from Smitten's app and you can pay it from your Smitten wallet, or choose the other option, that is converting that 169 into 6 trial points. That is what I have been choosing till now. You can click proceed and you'll be asked to enter your address over here, and then when you click proceed, you have various payment options. So if you select cash on delivery, you have to pay 50 rupees extras. Anyways, you are getting products more than 199 rupees in total, so it's totally worth it. Now that you have understood the whole thing about Smitten, I'm gonna jump into the products that I've received. So I'm showing you products that I got in each of my Smitten trial box. The first product over here is the Requel AHA based face wash. So I really wanted to try some AHA BHA based products, so I thought why not order this face wash, because a face wash has a relatively lower concentrate of any sort of acid you wanna put on your face. So yeah, that's why I ordered this AHA based face wash from Requel. I ordered this 1.8 pocket deodorant in the variant fresh, because I just wanted something to be there in my purse or bag every time I go outside, and I want to have some sort of a fresh fragrance with me. Then I ordered this Plant Power energy bar. It's 100% vegan, gluten free. It has 5 grams of protein, so it's a nice snacking bar. You can keep it in your purse. If you are a working professional and you don't really get time to have your breakfast, you can have this bar instead. And the next product is this marshmallow day cream from the Nature's Co. I absolutely freakingly love this day cream. It's very light, it smells amazing, and it gives that light moisturization to your face without making it oily. That is the good part. Then I ordered this Sear Secrets Strength Treatment Hair Cleanser for dry hair. This one might work for me. If it works, I'll post some sort of a review on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram. So these are all the products that I received in my first Smitten trial box. For my second box, I ordered 2 of Aroma Magic products. So this is the first product from Aroma Magic. It's a cream conditioner. I haven't used it, so I can't really say anything about it. This is a moisturizer from Raw Natures, and I've used this product. It smells amazing. It has that very light fragrance, and it is a very great moisturizer. It is non-greasy, doesn't make you feel oily or sticky at all. This brand is 100% natural, it's cruelty free, it's safe, has no artificial coloring, and I really like other products that I've ordered from this brand. Even this moisturizer is amazing. The next product that I got is this Shine and Volume shampoo from Blossom Couture Aroma Magic. So yeah, I haven't used it, so I can't really say anything about it. So I ordered this Raw Nature body wash, and I absolutely love this body wash because it is the right amount of glycerine and it has the right amount of fragrance. It's not really overpowering in either of them. It makes your skin very soft and supple. The next product is this Fab Whey Protein in the flavor Belgium chocolate. It is a one serving size pack, but it's 16.5 grams, so I would have really appreciated if they gave a 30-gram packet or a 33-gram packet, because that is generally one scoop of serving consume whey protein, so that is the general weight. But anyways, if you want to invest into this product, you can totally try this brand. They have some really amazing products. The next product is this baby face cream from Mama Earth. I ordered this for my feet because my feet become really dry and a lot of dead skin gets accumulated. So I thought I'll try this out for my feet, for my chapped feet or my rough hands, because these days we are using a lot of sanitizers and a lot of hand washes that is drying out our hands. This is the size of the tube that you get inside the box. It's a 25-gram size, so if you use it for your face, then it might last you a month, but I'm not sure how much time it's gonna last me if I use it for my hands and feet. In my next box, I got this Sendiveens Himalaya Pink Salt with White Water Lily body wash. So it's a decent size body wash from Sendiveens. I can't really comment about it because I haven't used any of these products, so I don't really know what review I should be giving you guys. But I was really into these ingredients, and this brand is paraben free, SLS free, approved by PETA, so I really wanted to try. So basically, Smitten had an offer going on in which if you ordered the trial products before 12 o'clock that particular day, then you'll be getting the Nature's Co cream free. And I ordered these 6 trial products and I got the Nature's Co Marshmallow Day cream free because I really liked this cream, so I thought why not order it. So the next product is this Upton face pack, and I've already used this Sendiveens Multani Mitti lotion, which is a lotion based face mask, and I really wanted to try other pre-made face masks from different brands, so I thought why not try this one. Then I have 2 face washes from Sendiveens. The first one is this Moroccan Argan face wash with raw honey. It's a moisturizing, hydrating, sulfate-free face wash. The next one is this Sendiveens Geranium face wash with witch hazel. It's a toning, cleansing and uplifting face wash. Again, it is sulfate-free. So I'll try all of these Sendiveens product and probably make a Sendiveens review video. Again, I have a body wash from Sendiveens. It's the hemp seed oil and aloe vera with neem body wash. And the last product that I have is this Mama Earth Upton face wash. Now Mama Earth's Upton face wash is the bestseller on their site. It's for tan removal and I get tan really quickly and very easily, so I thought why not get a trial size product and try it out for yourself. So when I need a face wash, I can order the full size one if it suits me. The next box, I got these 4 products. So the first one is this Aranya Skincare Naturally Sea Buckthorn shampoo with sea buckthorn oil and shikakai. Both of these ingredients are amazing for your hair. Sea buckthorn oil especially is good for your skin as well. Then this Rickwell pea protein and cinnamide hair mask. So basically any sort of additional protein, be it pea protein or keratin or anything else that you put on your hair, is gonna help in making your hair silky, smooth and strengthening it from the exterior. With hair masks and adding extra protein to my hair, I thought why not order this hair mask. This is a face wash from Raw Nature. It's actually meant for dry skin, but I thought why not try it out. So I tried it out and it is a good face wash, I would say. It gets rid of all the oil that is accumulated on my face in the morning. It's a red volcanic clay face wash. It smells a lot like brick and red clay mixed with some sort of curd or lactic acid. So the next product I have over here is from Aranya again. It's a hair mask conditioner, so you can use it as a conditioner or you can use it as a hair mask. Again, I haven't tried this product, so I can't really say a lot about it. So yeah, these are all the products that I've received in my Smitten trials. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to review any of these products, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll do it. Thanks for watching my videos. Stay tuned for more content on my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.